In the coral reef cleanup activity, you will use VEX Code VR to code your VR robot to drive and collect as much trash as possible to protect the coral reef. In VEX Code VR, every project begins with a when started block. The toolbox contains many different blocks that you can use to code your VR robot. For instance, you can use drivetrain blocks to drive around the coral reef cleanup playground. The drive for block will drive the robot for a specific distance. Drag it from the toolbox and attach it to the when started block to add it to your project. To change the direction the robot will drive, select forward or reverse. To change the distance the robot will travel, change the parameter. The turn for block will turn your robot for a specific distance. Drag the turn for block from the toolbox and attach it to the drive for block. To change the direction the robot will turn, select right or left. To change the degrees the robot will turn, change the parameter. Use the drive for and turn for blocks in your project to drive your VR robot in any direction. Blocks can easily be rearranged and deleted. While you can use drivetrain blocks to drive around the coral reef cleanup playground, you can collect even more trash by creating an algorithm. Bring some intelligence to your robot by creating an algorithm that uses sensor feedback to collect trash, no matter where it shows up on the coral reef rescue playground. Use feedback from the down eye sensor in your algorithm to keep the robot within the blue barrier where it can collect trash. If you need help getting started, open the Coral Reef Cleanup Level 3 example project. To open the example project, select File in the toolbar. Choose Open Examples and select Coral Reef Cleanup Level 3. The example project will open in the workspace. This example uses a forever block with the down eye sensor on the VR robot to continually check for the blue boundary in order to avoid driving into the coral reef. You can add, remove, and change the blocks in the example project to collect more trash. Once you are ready to test your code, select Start from the toolbar. Watch as the coral reef cleanup playground opens and the VR robot starts driving. The coral reef cleanup activity will end after the VR robot's battery is empty. To stop your robot before the battery is drained, select the Stop in the toolbar or the Stop button in the playground window. After the VR robot's battery is empty or the activity is stopped, you will see the total weight of trash collected. Try again to improve your project and collect more trash from the coral reef.